Congratulations, Batch 15 Fellows. I'm grateful that you held the fort in spreading the spirit of Seva Bhav within and outside the foundation, and the impact of that is visible in each one of your eyes as you sit here today with pride. 21st century skills play a massive part in building the youth, and the dual approach of deep diving into districts along with strengthening systems at the state to support quality education outcomes has been possible due to the persistent effort of each one of you. I'm also very happy to celebrate the first batch of Water and Climate Domain Fellows successfully sowing the seeds for establishing School of Climate and Sustainability. Your ability to manage ambiguity in a new program and the learnings you created by engaging with the community are part of our foundation now. I have complete belief that each one of you will spread the message of personal transformation leads to system change wherever you go. All the very best for your impact journeys ahead.
Congratulations to all Gandhi Fellows on your convocation day. You have demonstrated remarkable dedication and hard work throughout your Gandhi Fellowship journey. The achievement of this 15th batch of Gandhi Fellows of Piramal School of Leadership have been extraordinary in context of making a substantial impact in strengthening schools, state and district institutions to deliver 21st century education and addressing climate sustainability agenda in our country. As you step into the world, may you continue to inspire and lead with compassion, courage and commitment. Wishing you an impactful career, and please don't forget, once a fellow is always a fellow, and this is the beginning of your fellowship. Thank you.
Unfold self.
Once in a lifetime experience.
Self-management.
Learning by doing.
मेरे लिए यादों का पिटारा है.
Unlearning to relearning.
Fellowship is the best part of my life so far. It's an emotion.
Now I am a better version of myself.
ऐसे लेके हम तक का सफर.
Exploring the beauty.
Fellowship is unfolding new opportunities.
Personal growth.
It's just like roller coaster.
Facing unexpected challenges.
Self-reflection.
The art of unfolding.
Unfold yourself.
Patience and adaptability.
A culture of self-reflection.
Self-management.
To be kind and compassionate for myself and for others.
Self-exploration and non-violent communication.
Confidence and self-resilience.
Self-awareness. Leadership, collaboration.
Communication skills and collaboration skills.
Problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills.
Self-management.
Explore to self.
Learning with enjoyment.
Stakeholder management.
CI family.
Piramal Foundation.
JNK team.
My peers.
My CI family.
My program leader.
Stakeholders.
Fellowship process.
Jharkhand community.
My co-fellows.
Community members.
सगळ्या PRIs मेंबरची मी खूप खूप आभारी आहे.
जो भी करिए जम के करिए. All the best.
Good luck guys and all the best for your future endeavors.
Keep aspiring. Sky is the limit.
मैं आपके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ. All the very best.
और आशा करती हूँ कि जो भी वैल्यूज़, जो भी प्रिंसिपल आपने इस गांधी फेलोशिप से सीखे, अनुभव किए, आगे की प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी आप उनका उपयोग ज़रूर करेंगे और वो आपको सपोर्ट भी करेंगी.
आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ और ऐसे ही लाइफ में नए सपने आप देखते रहें और उनको पूरा करने की कोशिश करते रहें. यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं. धन्यवाद.
बहुत बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ आप सभी के लिए कि आप लोगों ने अपनी जर्नी में मुझे भी इंक्लूड किया. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर. थैंक यू.
Be compassionate with self and others. Believe in yourself and your abilities.
Batch 15 fellows who are just 5 in number have been successful in establishing a cadre of 132 aesthetic literacy and sea learning ambassadors in JNK.
हमने 3 महत्वपूर्ण आयामों को यहाँ पर स्थापित किया है. पहला, 4000 से अधिक ICT लैब्स को हमने फंक्शनल बनाया. उसकी मदद से तकरीबन 6 लाख लड़कियों को पहली बार अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली ICT लैब में जाने की. 1 लाख से अधिक शिक्षकों को हमने कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करने में हमें सक्सेस मिली. इन सभी आयामों में मुझे पूरा गर्व है कि इसमें पूरा आपका सहयोग रहा और आपके मदद से हम लोग राजस्थान में एक नया कीर्तिमान स्थापित कर पाए.
मध्य प्रदेश में गांधी फेलोज बैच 15 ने स्टेट के एजुकेशन सिस्टम में चेंज को एक्सेलरेट करने के लिए उन्होंने लगातार कंट्रीब्यूट किया है.
चाहे वो मामला समर कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज करके एक कंड्यूसिव लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने का हो, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट्स के फ्यूचर रेडी स्किल्स को असेस करने के लिए अमूल्य असेसमेंट करना हो.
Contribution is the reduction of the dropout rates and increase in 20% pre-matric scholarship applications. All the Gandhi Fellows actually contribute significantly by strengthening the existing districts and block review platform or the PMU.
There is Batch 15 Fellows. Congratulations. As we continue our journey, I want to take a moment to appreciate and acknowledge your unwavering dedication and hard work. Let's continue to push boundaries, strive for excellence, and think creatively. And while we are at it, let's not forget to celebrate our successes. Celebrate our failures also and take a learning from them. Congratulations one more time. Keep inspiring us and happy learning.
Dear fellows, life unfolds itself by its own pace. There is no rewind and forward. In this complex situation, it is important to be equanimous and demonstrate compassion towards self and others. Wish you all the best for the journey ahead. Thank you.
अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी खींचना है, भले हालात हो कैसे भी बस ये सोच ले, यही है जीत, यही है रात, बस अब जीतना है, बस अब जीतना है. थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.